Hello, for today's video, I'm gonna make a simple and delicious eggplant omelette recipe, and here are the prepared ingredients. Here I prepared 2 pieces of eggplants, 4 pieces of eggs, 2 pieces of white onions cut into cubes, 2 pieces of tomatoes cut into cubes, and some spring onions. I use only the green parts. Let's get started. Using our pot, let's make some holes on our eggplant. And then, now let's grill our eggplant. And now let's check our grilled eggplant. Now it's already soft and it's done. Now remove it from the cooking machine. It's done, and let it cool it down. And for the meantime, let's prepare our egg. Let's mix it. Mix it well. And done. Set in our empty bowl. Put in all our prepared ingredients. Put the onion, string onion, and tomatoes, and pour in our prepared egg. And add a teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of corn flour, and add a half teaspoon of black pepper powder. And let's combine all together. Mix it well. Mix it very well. And done. Spill our eggplant. And done. And also done. Using our fork, let's flatten our eggplant. And done. Let's do the other one. And done. And now let's put our eggplant into our prepared egg mixture. Let's dip into our prepared egg mixture. Done, and set aside. Let's put oil into our frying pan. Once the oil hot, let's add a little bit of egg mixture into the pan. And let's add our prepared eggplant. fry until it will become crispy. Let's add all our remaining egg mixture on the top of our eggplant. And now let's turn it on the other side. And fry it until it will become crispy also on the other side. Now let's check, and our eggplant omelette is done. Now let's transfer it into a serving plate. And our simple, delicious eggplant omelette is ready to serve.